Yes guys, you don't know it's a girl Nikki and we have a girl Tori right over here today. So today we are coming with an epic prank on our mother today again guys. We don't know how we can catch her with pranks, so what you eat if you get catch. So today we so nearly going to remember what we can do. And then I said Tori, you know, so we can do the TV prank now panel. We have a talk slow and I got me to watch it, you know me I say. So me I said Tori, say you know if we do the TV prank, and she said yeah. So I said alright, then we got chop it panel. Guys, I want to stay tuned and watch one here now because the one I got epic. When I say that got epic. So guys, please remember to turn on the post notification bell to get posted when time to get them chop. Please like, share and subscribe to every video we put out here guys because that one got epic. On the TV because you bring the back in the TV there so.
When I bring after him for? I don't care a damn. A damn you must know so you can't bring your body so.
No, Tori, tell me now. What happened to the girl TV when she come see her TV like that?
She did business and when in the top in our
That you go say? That you go forgive say?
So revenge.
Yeah? Look. Listen me. Be careful. You said Mr. Wilson in there. What you done him a laugh? What you fin with son a laugh?
So every revenge you take a true mal kicking your gut now.
I go say that Vicky, I know say a big trouble right now.
Well.
You have to go find money to fix. Then they done it, sit down and laugh.
Tori.
So we're not time to kill.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
So how come we pray?
It's a look on our face. It's a prank. We never catch everything.
But then me close so she sit down and laugh and me see TV turn. Then how TV gone so?
You could get her one more time. This I go up in the jello. This is what they are epic. Welcome to our channel. You don't know it's the girl Nikki. I'm there like long beside the girl
Tori.
Yeah, so today we are coming with an epic prank again for your mother again guys. Today we are gonna it's like she said my gosh shop guys and she give back some change and she don't want him but the change and she have gone away. So we gonna pull off a little prank on her with that and then it's like Tori are gonna come in and start the things they wanna say movie. Then you see Tori wanna stay away from her money and really and so guys just stay tuned and report for another one you go epic. We have alcohol. Come here, Angela. Come here. I tell you the truth, girl. I know you have a bag of food, but come here. Come here. So, I got mother to a daughter. Come here.
Oh, no. Me can't sit
You don't see a minute now?
You ask you want me to come in.
Alright, listen to me. Me go shop for you. After me upset me, I go talk. I tell you, so you could think about XYZ, I need to look like say, you know, to be about XYZ that me I rob you. Me not like it.
You know you do. Don't make me we're from yes, I'll leave me around.
No, but that's the truth.
Because you said me did I look at you for people that rob a
I'm a supermarket, my girl.
Anyway, you got them
I mean, I say, see the money, see something, you feel to look for the meal. I mean, I say,
Nikki, let me tell you something. Anyway, you go. Anyway, you got everybody bill. Me don't look like you rob not now.
2 pound of meat
Then
fat, 1
that
pound of
means
meat
you look at
fat,
the mixie.
5.29 for the 2 pound, and the fish are 6.95 for the 2 pound. And then me say to you, say,
Yeah, you know.
see this is for the skeleton and time $100 and the onion and $50. Me say to you, say, we give back 380. Just give back 380.
Me say I look at them for the bill.
But you
But you're not give me.
and you have one with your weapon
Me say
attitude
you're not give me a chance. See, look,
me not fi,
that's why sometimes you know what, me not gonna beg you back.
No, don't worry.
Me not have a problem with that. Me not have a fear of my
Just unfair.
What me unfair with, Tori? Tell me what me unfair with.
Tell the truth, talk the truth.
Yeah?
Talk the truth.
Me say when I say something, me can't say see the bill, so me say me see from the wall, look for the bill,
Talk the
see
truth.
the last bill.
Unfair game.
What me unfair with?
Sometimes you
Me not unfair with
talk the
no
truth, say unfair.
Sometimes you see, sometimes me tell you no from
Sometimes I do things
from morning